Hello, this is Robin Sampson with Biblejournalclasses.com. I wanted to show you what you could do with word art if it doesn't fit what you want it, where you want it to go. And I wanted to put mine in this frame. So I'm going to rasterize the word art because you can't manipulate it if it's not rasterized. And then I'm going to, let me turn off this frame so you can see it a little bit better. I decided I'm going to remove the ribbon. That's Command X on a PC, Control X on a Mac. Let's remove it from this side. And now we can fit it better. Okay. Now we have the flowers that we need to fix. So what we're going to do is we're going to take down the opacity of the word art. We need to still be able to see it slightly so we can see where we need to remove it. And then we're going to get the eraser tool. And remember, you can do Command Z to go backwards. So don't worry about it if you mess up. So you're just going to go around these flowers where you know that the word art is going to, needs to go underneath instead of on top. And you just trace around. If you mess up, Command Z on a Mac, Control Z on a PC. You can make this eraser bigger with the right bracket, or smaller with the left bracket. And I need to be real tiny to get into here. And then this is going to look like the flowers on top of the word art. A little too much. Just Command Z. And this takes a minute, but it's worth the result. And then you can check to see how you're doing. And then catch any areas that you missed. And of course, Command plus is going to zoom way in. I'm going to speed this up a little bit instead of you watching me in real time. I'm just erasing. This flower is a little complicated, so it's taking longer. Usually it only takes a few seconds to erase a few things, but this is going to be a nice look because you've already gotten, and notice that I left a little bit of white in a couple areas, but that's real easy to fix. I can go back and just add a little bit of black on the same layer the word art is on. And then just keep checking it, going back and forth up to full opacity. I'm going to go to my brush and choose the black. If I press D, it goes to default black and white. Make my blush a lot smaller. Go to the original, and I'm going to paint back a tiny, tiny bit here. So that's how you fit word art if it doesn't fit into your frame. I hope this is helpful. Bye-bye. See you in the Facebook group.